Good morning and welcome to our limited edition Chamber Member Interview Studio Sessions. Joining me today is Binal Patel, the Business Development Manager for Shore United Bank and one of our board members. Welcome, Binal, for joining us today.
Thank you, Emily. Great to be here.
It's great to see you. Binal did join us last year for her regular member interview, but we're recording today because Shore United Bank is a backfin sponsorship of our annual crab feast. So we wanted to get to know the business who so often supports us.
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you guys for all that you do for us. We're always grateful for you. Now, Binal, if you don't mind, tell us a little bit about Shore United and who is served by your bank services.
So Shore United is a local community bank. We service local communities, Eastern Shore, Baltimore, some of Delaware and some of Virginia. And we are part of about 22 branches. And also we're looking to grow, hoping to have about 7 more branches by the end of the year in Anne Arundel County.
Okay. And it is great to see. I mean, you guys are a local bank, you want to expand, but you're really good about putting yourself in the community, whether, it's a local farmer's market or things like this. You guys are really good about inserting yourself into the neighborhoods you serve, which is nice to see. Now, about how long have you been a Northwest Chamber member?
So we've been part of the chambers for about 4 years before we actually got into the Western Shore. I was still on the Eastern Shore, and we've been a member for over 4 years. And this is a really active chamber, very engaged in the community.
Thank you. Well, we're glad to have you guys as part of our team. It's always good to see your branch out and about. Now, obviously, things are picking up this year as we progress through 2021. But what specific company initiatives are you most excited that Shore United is doing this year?
So our 2021 initiative is basically we're looking to be more involved in the community. Baltimore, Howard, Anne Arundel, in the community events, just so that we can do more marketing and branding.
That's great. That's a great thing to get back to this year. I know we're all really excited about it.
Yeah.
Well, one networking question that we generally like to ask is, what is one service that Shore United offers, which people or current customers may not know about?
So the one service is basically cash management products, because we are a community bank, and lots of our current customers as well as prospects are not aware that we offer that. Basically, it's ACH, remote capture deposit, merchant services, and internet banking and so forth.
Okay, that is a great thing to know about.
Yeah.
Now, if there is one message that you would want people to think of when they think of Shore United, what would that message be?
The message would be, we are a customer service friendly bank, and our goal is basically your success is what our goal is, meaning local businesses, we want to see them succeed.
Love that.
Yeah.
And you guys exude that very well.
Thank you. We try.
Of course, the bank originated on the Eastern Shore, but as you've gotten into the Western Shore, and especially in these parts of Baltimore County, what is it that you love most about these surrounding communities?
So I love the way the community, especially like Baltimore area, how they are well together. They help each other. They're all 3 or 4 communities are really engaged within each other, and they're all about the helping small businesses grow.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
that's a great answer. Now, if you had to describe the Northwest Chamber's annual crab feast, this is my first one working it on this side, so we've got
Uh-huh.
to know, what would you say about the event itself?
It's one of the best events. It's great for the community as well as for the chambers. It's great food from getting together with friends, family, and overall, it's like I said, it's one of the best events that we put out.
I know a lot of people are excited. We had to not do it last year, of course, because of COVID, so it's
Yeah.
definitely anticipated this year.
Yeah, we had actually, and I think the last one was 2019. It was the best event. I mean, I think I've only done two because of COVID. Last year was COVID, and this would be the fourth. But I've enjoyed the two that I've been to, and it's I mean, it's we really get community out there. It's very busy.
Well, we are excited, and we're glad that you guys are going to be joining us as
Mhm.
always.
Yep.
Now, the last two questions are about eating crab. So either from experience or from what you think, Old Bay or no Old Bay?
Old Bay, of course, but I don't eat crabs. I don't eat seafood. So, but I love Old Bay in my fries. So I would say Old Bay.
Always the seasoning to use.
Yep.
Well, thank you, Binal. We are so excited to have you guys. Shore United is such a great sponsor to the Chamber. We can't wait to see you guys out. And of course, you can always check by the weekly farmers market and see Shore United there, and get to meet them in person. They are a great local bank, and definitely recommend it if you're looking to localize your banking needs.
Thank you so much for noticing us. Greatly appreciative, and we're very happy to be part of the chambers.
Well, thank you, Binal. We
Yep.
appreciate it, and we will see you around soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.